Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So for this video today, I'm just going to show you guys my process on how I make my hair oils. So today I'm going to be making the split end serum. I do have a small business if you're new to my channel. It's called Pretty Hair Care LLC. I make curly hair products and hair oils right now. I have amazing reviews on my website, so go ahead and check it out at prettyhaircarellc.com. So now I'm just taking everything out of the package. This is how it comes. It comes from China. I order all of my bottles and containers from Alibaba. So the first thing I do is I disinfect whatever surface that I'm working on. I like to work on my kitchen island because it's huge and I can make big batches of hair cream and hair oil. So I disinfect it with like cleaning spray and then I'll go over it with alcohol. Now the next step is to clean out the oil bottles. So I do use alcohol in the bottles. I shake the bottles and then I let it sit for a couple of minutes and then pour the alcohol out and then I'll let it air dry. And the same thing goes for everything else that I work with. Any utensils that I use, any bowls, containers, spoons, I clean everything with alcohol. All right, now it's time to make the oil mixture. So I have all of my oils laid out and I have all my measurements right here in this notebook. I'm just not going to show you guys the measurements, but all of my ingredients are listed on the website. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything up and then I'm going to add in the vitamin E oil and then it'll be ready to bottle. So after adding the vitamin E oil, I am going to add in the essential oils. These essential oils are not only good for your hair and preventing split ends, but it also gives it a nice fragrance. So I have this metal funnel that came with some oil bottles that I ordered a long time ago, but for some reason they don't fit on these oil bottles. So I found these really large syringes, and that's what I'm going to use to fill up the oil bottles. It works really well, and I'm debating on if I want to go and buy more of these syringes or if I just want to find another funnel that fits the oil bottles. I don't know yet, but as far as these last few months, I've just been using the syringe, which works great. All right, the final step is to assemble the top. So it comes in 3 different pieces. It has the bamboo screw on top, the glass dropper, and then the rubber piece that goes with it. So you have to assemble all that together, and then that is it. That is how I make my split end serum. And this is also the same process for my hair growth oil, which I will do a video on that as well. So here is the final product with it's completely done. I love how it turned out. I love doing this. I love making this. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Check out my website at prettyhaircutllc.com. I will have everything in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.